Oh wait, what? I did it wrong. Hello guys. Hey guys, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Keanu, but you can call me Kiki because I like that better. I did a thrifting. You guys came with me to the thrift store, yada 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 yada. I really wanted to show you guys and give you guys some tips about thrifting. I know a lot of people always tell me I never find anything at the store, blah 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 blah, but I wanted to show you guys that it's probably because you guys don't go as often as you should be going to find good stuff. You're not gonna find something the one and only time you ever go in your life. It's not gonna work like that. That's not how it works. You have to go a lot, you know, because they're always bringing out stuff. People are always going, buying stuff. You know, you never know what you're gonna get. That's why you just gotta go a lot. Anyways, I'm gonna get straight into what I got. I got these two bags. Today I only went to 2 thrift stores, but in the beginning of the week, I went to like 4 different thrift stores because I just wasn't finding anything, so I went to like all of them. But today I found some stuff, so I just wanted to show you guys. And usually when I'm having like a good day, like I'll find something at the first one I go to, I'll just hit up another one, you know, check it out. But I don't want to continue. Other words, I would have had like 6 bags and I ain't trying to do that. So I'm gonna start off by showing you guys what I got the day where it was pretty dry. So I got this. It's a fake Gucci bag. She fake, she real fake, but she real cute. Let's see, cute. Inside there's just some Fenty lip gloss. We already used this bag. Yeah, I'm super obsessed with. I was with Jonathan. He said that it reminds him of Tokyo, of Japan. He'd totally wear this in Japan or something. But it's just so beautiful. Like, I'm trying to show you guys. The embroidery on this thing is good, really good. I love it. This was $5.99. This bag was $3.99. It was just like on the wall of all the bags. The material's kind of like that canvasy, like lab coat material. And I really like the white and brown, and I like how the cuffs come up white right here too. And I like the white stitching. Obviously the contrast stitching is the bestest. There's that. Next thing I got was for my friend. We're actually gonna do a DIY. It's this little suit top thing. This was $3.99. And it comes with the skirt. So it's like a little matching set. And what we're gonna do is obviously shorten the skirt, bring the waist in. The top, we are going to crop it and make like little cute crop suit top and cute little skirt. That was that. If you really like it, because sometimes you like it, you don't like it at the store, but when you get home you might like it. Next thing I got were these. I really like these pants too. I like this little texture, whatever the hell it's called. I like the pleats. I like how there's pleats on the back right here, little baby pleats. Usually in like vintage women's pants I'm a size 10 to 14. These are a size 10. These are a little bit more tight on me. These were $3.99. I probably would just wear this with a simple black crop top, a black shirt, white shirt. You could even wear this with a bunch of stuff. You just gotta get creative. And damn ass plane. No passengers on my plane. And go. Yeah, I'm outside again. Obviously, I love filming outside. If it wasn't obvious, it's don't be afraid to try things on. And actually, not even don't be afraid to try things on, like forget that, but like try things on, because you don't want to freaking buy something and then you get home and then try it on and then it doesn't fit you and it's too late, because most thrift stores are final sale. Like, trust me, I've learned from experience. I've bought in so much fucking shit from the thrift store and I didn't try it on. I didn't try it on when I was there, and then I get home, I try it on and it doesn't fit me, and I'm just like, wow, like I'm stuck with this. Like, I either gotta donate it back or throw it away. Yeah, and I'm mostly talking about pants. Shirts, they stretch, you know, but pants, like if it's too small for you, it ain't gonna work out. Like, you can't do nothing, you know. If it's a little too big, you could add a belt, but if it's too small for you, it ain't gonna happen. Another motherfucking plane. Anyways, yeah, I kind of got something like this to show you guys that, like, a lot of retail stores, Zara, H&M, Forever 21, Urban Outfitters, like all these trendy clothes, those clothes are inspired by pieces from the 90s, the 2000s. So you're most likely gonna find shit like that at the thrift store, because all those clothes are old from the 90s and 2000s. And not only is it cheaper to go to the thrift store, but it's also more original. You have something that not many people are probably gonna have, but this is probably something other people have. But I just wanted to show you guys that you could shop trendy at the thrift store, you know. This is a flight jacket. Inside is orange, outside is green, just one of those simples. It's from the brand Rothko. It's like a utility wear brand. This was $7.95. This thrift store, they always have like different color tags, and then for that week they'll have like a big color up on this board, and it's like whatever color it is on sale. But this week it was pink, so unfortunately I had to pay $7.95. But yeah, I just really felt like my wardrobe, I don't know, it just matched my outfit too, so I was like, I'm getting it. But I'm really trying to just gather a lot of clothes around the colors that I already wear and own and that I love. Like, my color palette right now is like orange, green, and white and tan. Like, I don't know why. I think it's because ever since I got these pair of shoes, I've had to wear something that matches with them, which is orange. So yeah. But anyways, got this, love this. Next are these pants. I don't own like any green pants, so I wanted to get this. This is like the only shade of green I'd probably wear, is like this dark forest green. Just because the other bright green is kind of just a little bit too, for me personally, not my thing. I like the way this looks better on my skin. I like wearing colors that look good on my skin, so that's kind of sometimes how I choose clothes. But if you really like fashion, I really like fashion, so that's why I like this color, and that's why I got these pants, and they were $2.95 from the thrift store. Next, I got these. I wouldn't really pick something up like this, but I kind of wanted to get a little bit out of my little zone. But they're just like these Nike track pants. They're like this jersey material. They have a little Nike sign right here. Silver and white on the side. Silver bottom. I just thought these would look cute with like my dirty white Air Force Ones. and like a white crop top, basic white tee crop top. These were on the sale, extra special sale rack. These were $5.95. Somehow everything I got from the art thrift store came out to $30. I don't understand that because I didn't get that much. Oh, actually I did get quite a bit. But these are Nike. I just wanted to let you guys know you could find brands like Nike and Adidas and whatever else. I don't know. You could find those basic brands at the thrift store. Those retail brands. You know what I'm saying? It's not like those designer brands, but the other kind. Just like the normal brands that you find in the mall. Try it. So these, I wouldn't normally get them, but I got them. Next, I got these pants. They are Eddie Bauer. I've actually had a pair like this before. I like these pants because they're 100% cotton. I like my denim to be obviously denim, which is 100% cotton. Well, not all denim is, but sometimes they have like polyester blends. But I really like these because they're high-waisted, and I just like all my pants high-waisted because that's just what looks best on me. Personally, I feel that yeah, how I know things are high-waisted, they have a rise of 11 to 12 inches. So that's basically the point right here from the crotch all the way up to the button. Depending how short you are, 10, 9, you know? Like shaka. Close my thumb, and where my thumb was, then it has to go from my knuckle. Anyways, bitch, take a measuring tape with you to the thrift store, which is another tip. Measure your body, because obviously that could be helpful sometimes. Maybe you want to measure something, maybe you see some furniture. Because I don't have a pair of denim this wash. Actually, used to only go to the thrift store to buy denim. I was obsessed with denim jackets, denim pants. I loved it all. Denim everything used to be my jam. But I kind of fell out of that phase, but I think I'm going back because it's fall now, so I'm ready to pull out all my denim. And these were $2.95, which is not bad at all. So I got this belt. I really like this like retro vibe it has with this rectangular oval type thing going on. Very 80s to me. This peachy color is very 80s to me. I love this color so much. I just got it because it's something that I wouldn't usually wear. I usually just wear that one black belt and the cheetah print belt, and I just rotate those two belts. And sometimes I use a shoestring. But I feel like this will kind of challenge myself, I don't know, to style something different. And that's also another tip from the thrift store. Challenge yourself when you're at the thrift store. Get something that you wouldn't normally get. They have styles from athleisure all the way to suits, like I just showed you this suit, all the way to this track pants, all the way to this flight jacket, to this belt, to this bootleg ass Gucci bag. Like, they have so much different shit in the thrift store. Really, if you're really wanting to like redefine your style, find a new style, or just like oomph up your wardrobe, I really recommend going to the thrift store because you'll find something there. I guarantee you. It really takes consistency to find some good shit at the thrift store. But I'm telling you, once you start finding good shit at the thrift store, you're gonna fall in love and you're gonna be a thrifter. Bougie on a budget. Next, I got this shirt. And I was trying to talk to you guys at the thrift store, but the motherfucking fans were too loud. And they had a fan like every single aisle, so I couldn't really say shit because the microphone was getting blown out. But I don't usually look at the t-shirts, but I just did for y'all because t-shirts are just something like I'm not really interested in. I just have like a few. I used to have a lot, but I don't really care for t-shirts or tops anymore, or like t-shirts anymore. I'm more of like I like to thrift pants. I was about to say I'm more of a bottom. True that, but I like to thrift pants. Anyways, this says what it says, and it says what it says because it says. I love this shirt. I just like so. Oh, of course it would be from Spencer's. Anyways, it was $2.95. Alrighty, guys and gals. The sun is setting, so I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe the video. Like and subscribe the video. Like the video. Leave a comment. Let me know what your favorite thrift find has been, and if you haven't thrifted or if you are thinking about it, you should definitely do it. It's really fun. You're guaranteed to stand out when you thrift. I don't know what I'm trying to say. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe. And if you like these types of videos, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.